Most people know Bitcoin mining exists. Very few know how to actually participate in it without spending $50,000 on hardware, paying commercial electricity rates, and running machines that sound like jet engines in your garage. GoMining solves all three of those problems. This is episode 1 of GoMining University. Everything I know about the platform from real money and real experience. What is Bitcoin mining? The simple version. Bitcoin runs on a decentralized network of computers. Every 10 minutes, those computers race to solve a complex mathematical calculation. The first one to solve it gets to add the next block of transactions to the blockchain and earns the Bitcoin block reward. That reward is currently 3.125 Bitcoin per block, worth roughly $260,000 at today's prices. That reward gets split among everyone who contributed computing power to solving it, proportional to how much power they contributed. Mining is simply the act of contributing computing power to that process. The more power you contribute, measured in terahash, the bigger your share of the reward. The problem with home mining. To mine Bitcoin profitably at home, you need industrial-grade ASIC machines that cost $3,000 to $10,000 each. You need cheap electricity, ideally under 5 cents per kilowatt hour. You need cooling infrastructure because these machines run extremely hot, and you need to deal with the noise, the heat, the maintenance, and the complexity of connecting to a mining pool. Most people can't do that. GoMining exists specifically for that problem. How GoMining works. GoMining owns and operates real ASIC mining machines in professional data centers. They have access to wholesale electricity rates and industrial cooling infrastructure. When you buy hash rate on GoMining, you're purchasing a fractional share of those machines. Your share mines Bitcoin alongside everyone else's share in GoMining's pool. Every day, GoMining calculates the pool reward, deducts the maintenance fee for electricity and equipment service, and sends your net reward directly to your GoMining wallet, automatically. No action required from you. What you actually own. You own hash rate, computing power measured in terahash. 1 terahash is 1 trillion calculations per second. I currently own 73.33 terahash. That means my share of GoMining's machines runs 73 trillion calculations per second, contributing to Bitcoin mining around the clock. The more terahash you own, the bigger your daily reward. It scales linearly. Double the terahash, roughly double the daily reward, subject to network difficulty and Bitcoin price. My real numbers right now. Let me show you my actual dashboard. Here is my mining farm, 73.33 terahash. Yesterday's reward, $2.63 in Bitcoin sent directly to my wallet. My maintenance fee yesterday was approximately 4.86 GoMining tokens. My total discount is 26.06%. Meaning I'm paying significantly less in fees than the standard rate. Over the last 30 days, my farm has generated approximately $78.90 in Bitcoin rewards. That's real Bitcoin in my real wallet from a platform I've been using and documenting for this channel. Is it worth it? That's the question this entire series answers. The honest answer is, it depends on your starting position, your strategy, your time horizon, and how Bitcoin price and network difficulty move during your holding period. There is no guaranteed return here. This is a speculative position in a real asset. What I can tell you is that after running this platform with real money and documenting every number, the mechanics work exactly as advertised. The Bitcoin shows up. The fees are real. The compounding is real. And there are layers of optimization most users never discover that significantly change the economics. That's what this series covers. 12 episodes, every feature, every discount, every strategy, all with my real account on screen. Episode 2 covers setting up your account from scratch. every click, every setting, everything you need to do before your first dollar goes in. See you there. Show me the sats.